Daily word list. Compensation, noun.
Payment, repayment, settlement, for loss/damage.
Marine, noun.
A member of an armed force who operate on land and at sea.
Hand in hand, phrase.
Together, in partnership, closely.
Diplomacy, noun.
International politics, foreign affairs, foreign policy, negotiations, discussions, talks, dialogue, related to international politics.
Enricolexy, noun.
It is an Italian commercial oil tanker. Oil tanker is a ship designed for the bulk transport of oil or its products.
Off, adjective.
Out at sea from a place on the shore.
Belief, noun.
Opinion, viewpoint, assumption, suspicion, judgment.
Pirate, noun.
Ship/boat-borne attacker.
Trial, noun.
Court case, lawsuit, hearing, inquiry, litigation, judicial proceedings.
The Permanent Court of Arbitration, noun.
The Permanent Court of Arbitration, established by treaty in 1899, is an intergovernmental organization providing a variety of dispute resolution services to the international community.
Arbitration, noun.
Conciliation, mediation, intervention/negotiation.
Tribunal, noun.
A special court or arbitration panel set up to resolve a particular dispute.
United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, noun.
This convention provides the overarching framework for the governance of the oceans. It governs relations among countries on ocean-related issues. It outlines the rights and responsibilities countries have related to the use of the oceans, the seabed and their resources, and the protection of the ocean environment. This convention was signed on the 10th of December 1982 and entered into force on the 16th of November 1994.
Concurrent, adjective.
Simultaneous, coincident, coinciding.
Jurisdiction, noun.
Authority, power, to hear a case and make legal decisions.
Concurrent jurisdiction, adjective.
Two or more courts from different systems simultaneously have authority to hear the same case.
Try, verb.
Hear, investigate a case, and make a formal judgment on it, pass judgment on, adjudge, adjudicate.
Immunity, noun.
Exemption, exception, freedom, release from legal proceedings.
On behalf of, phrase.
In the interests of, in support of, for the benefit of.
State, noun.
The government, the regime, the establishment.
Entitle, verb.
Allow, permit, grant.
Vessel, noun.
Ship, yacht, boat.
Navigation, noun.
the planned movement of a ship/boat on the water.
Law of the sea, noun.
It defines the rights and responsibilities of nations with respect to their use of the world's oceans, establishing guidelines for businesses, the environment, and the management of marine natural resources.
Likely, adverb.
Probably, in all probability, presumably, doubtlessly.
As far as is concerned, phrase.
With regard to a particular person or situation.
Given, preposition.
Considering, taking into account, bearing in mind.
Tangle, noun.
Muddle, mix up, confusion, entanglement, shambles.
Provision, noun.
Term, clause, requirement/condition.
Accountability, noun.
Responsibility, liability, answerability.
Render, verb.
Make, cause to be, cause to become.
Heir, noun.
An individual who is legally entitled to inherit some or all of the estate, assets/belongings, of a person who died, ancestor, legal beneficiary, successor, inheritor, descendant, scion.
Hindsight, noun.
Understanding/realizing a situation/event only after it has occurred.
Diplomatic, adjective.
Delicate and sensitive, consular, foreign policy.
Turbulence, noun.
Instability, troubles, disturbance, confusion.
Set off, phrasal verb.
Cause, bring about, begin/start, prompt, trigger.
Nationalist, noun/adjective.
Relating to nationalism.
Passion, noun.
Sensibilities, sensitivities, uncontrollable emotion.
Way out, noun.
Answer, solution.
The very thing, noun.
Something that is exactly needed.
Come out, phrasal verb.
Develop, happen, emerge, transpire, as a result.
Ruling, noun.
Judgement, adjudication, verdict.
Wanton, adjective.
Deliberate, willful, malicious/cruel, unjustifiable.
Piracy, noun.
An act of robbery or criminal violence by ship/boat-borne attackers upon another ship or a coastal area.
Assert, verb.
Declare, announce, pronounce, state.
Prosecute, verb.
Take to court, bring an action against, accuse, charge.
Indian waters, noun.
The waters extending to the sea up to the limit of the contagious zone of India.
Contiguous, adjective.
Adjacent, neighboring, adjoining, abutting, connecting, joining, bordering.
Contiguous zone, noun.
An area of sea contiguous to an extending seaward of the territorial sea. in which the coastal state may exercise the control necessary to prevent and punish infringements of its customs, fiscal, immigration, and sanitary laws within its territory or territorial sea. The contiguous zone is a band of water extending farther from the outer edge of the territorial sea to up to 24 nautical miles, 44.4 kilometers, 27.6 miles, from the baseline.
Solely, adverb.
Only, totally.
National Investigation Agency, noun.
The National Investigation Agency is a central agency established by the Indian government to combat terror in India. It is functioning as the central counter-terrorism law enforcement agency in the country. The National Investigation Agency, NIA, is created following the terror attack in Mumbai on December 26, 2008. It came into being on December 31, 2008, with the passage of the NIA Act of 2008.
Invoke, verb.
Cite, refer to, adduce.
Stringent, adjective.
Strict, severe, extreme, rigorous.
Anti-piracy law, noun.
The law that is meant to protect against piracy.
Suppression of unlawful acts against safety of maritime navigation and fixed platforms on continental shelf Act, 2002, India, noun.
An act to give effect to the International Maritime Organization Convention for Suppression of Unlawful Acts Against the Safety of Maritime Navigation and the Protocol for the Suppression of Unlawful Acts Against the Safety of Fixed Platforms located on the continental shelf and for matters connected therewith.
Suppression of Unlawful Acts Against Safety of Maritime Navigation, SA Act, International Act, noun.
A multilateral treaty by which states agree to prohibit and punish behavior that may threaten the safety of maritime navigation.
Suppression of Unlawful Acts Against Safety of Fixed Platforms on Continental Shelf Act, International Act, noun.
A multilateral treaty by which states agree to prohibit and punish behavior that may threaten the safety of offshore fixed platforms, including oil platforms.
Consternation, noun.
A sudden and unexpected feeling of worry/anxiety that causes confusion, dismay, disquiet, surprise, shock.
Object, verb.
Protest, oppose, express disagreement, take a stand against.
Drop, verb.
Abandon, discontinue, cancel.
Lead to, verb.
Result in, cause, bring on, give rise to.
Sustainable, adjective.
Acceptable, trustworthy, reliable, dependable.
Resolution, noun.
Solution, settlement,